Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic, painting flowers. Flowers are not only beautiful to look at, but they also hold a special place in our hearts and minds. They evoke emotions, memories, and a sense of tranquility. So, let's dive into the world of painting flowers and explore the art of creating masterpieces using acrylic paint. To begin with, let's discuss the importance of choosing the right colors when painting flowers. Acrylic paint is a versatile medium that allows you to create a wide range of colors and shades. When painting flowers, it's essential to choose colors that complement each other and create a harmonious look. Some popular colors to use when painting flowers include pastels, neutrals, and bold, bright shades. Now, let's go over some tips and tricks for painting flowers. One of the most important aspects of painting flowers is understanding the composition. A well-composed flower painting should have a balance of colors, shapes, and sizes. When painting a flower, start by sketching the basic shapes and outlines of the petals, leaves, and stem. This will help you create a solid foundation for your painting and ensure that your flower looks realistic. When painting flowers, it's essential to use a layering technique to create depth and dimension in your artwork. Start by applying a light layer of acrylic paint to the canvas and allowing it to dry completely. Once the base layer is dry, begin adding layers of paint to create the desired effect. For instance, you can use a mix of 2 or more colors to create a gradient or add highlights to the petals and leaves. One of the most fun and rewarding aspects of painting flowers is the opportunity to experiment with different techniques and styles. You can try using blending techniques, spatters, or even incorporating textures into your artwork. The key is to let your creativity run wild and explore what makes your flower unique. When painting flowers, it's important to remember that practice makes perfect. The more you paint flowers, the better you'll get at capturing the essence and beauty of these delicate organisms. Keep refining your skills and experimenting with different techniques to find your unique style. In conclusion, painting flowers is a delightful and creative endeavor that allows you to express your love for nature and the beauty of these small, yet incredible organisms. By choosing the right colors, understanding composition, and practicing your skills, you can create stunning, masterpiece-like flowers using acrylic paint. So, go ahead and unleash your creativity and let your passion for painting flowers guide you on this artistic journey. Happy painting!